Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to discuss these four important limits, right? And here what we will do, we'll try to write the direct value of these four limits by using a direct result, right? So let us start. Now, let us first consider the general limit, right? So here, what we will do, we'll consider a limit of this type, that is limit x tends to 0, and we have a raised to mx minus b raised to nx divided by x, right? So now if we see closely, then we can easily realize that these four limits are similar to this one, right? So here we have limit x tends to 0, a raised to mx minus b raised to nx divided by x, right? So here a and b are positive numbers, and m and n may be real numbers, right? Now the direct result for this type of limit is m log a minus n log b, right? So we can see that, see here we have a raised to mx. So this m can be taken over here. Then we can have the log of a, then minus, then we have this n, and then we have this b, that is n log b, right? So this result can also be written as log of a raised to m minus log of b raised to n, right? Or in other words, we can also write this result as log of a raised to m divided by b raised to n, right? So here we have used the properties of log. So now let us first consider this limit. So here, if we compare this limit with this one, then the value of a is 2 and the value of b is 3, right? And m is 3 because here we have 3, and n is equal to 2, right? So the direct value of this limit is m log a minus n log b. So here we have 3 log 2, that is 3 log 2, then minus, we can write 2 log 3, right? So this can also be written as log of 2 cube minus log of 3 square, right? By using the properties of log. So this is log of 8 minus log of 9, that is equal to log of 8 over 9, right? Now let us consider this limit. So here we have 7 raised to 3x minus 2 raised to minus 4x divided by x. So this limit is similar to this one, right? So if we compare this limit with this one, then the value of a is 7 and m is 3, right? And the value of b is 2 and the value of n is minus 4, right? So the direct value of this limit by using this result is 3 log 7, right? So we'll write 3 log 7 minus, then we have minus 4 log 2. So here we have minus 4 and here we have log of 2, right? So this can be written as 3 log 7 minus and minus becomes plus. So we have here 4 log 2, right? So this result can also be written as log of 7 raised to 3 plus log of 2 raised to 4, right? And again, by using the properties of log, we can write log of 7 raised to 3 times 2 raised to 4, right? And we can easily solve this expression. Now let us take this interesting limit, right? So now if we compare this limit with this one, then the value of a is e and the value of b is also equal to e, right? And m is 2 and n is equal to 5, right? So the direct value of this limit can be written as 2 log e. This is 2 log e minus, then we have 5 log e, right? So we have 5 times log of e, and we know that log of e is equal to 1 because here it is understood that the base is e, right? So this is 2 times 1 minus 5 times 1. So this is 2 minus 5, that is minus 3, right? So now let us take this limit. So here if we compare this limit with this one, then we can easily see that the value of a is e, and the value of b is also equal to e, right? And m is minus 5 and n is minus 2, right? So the direct value of this limit can be written by using this result. So we can now write minus 5. First we will have minus 5, then we have log of e minus, then we'll have minus 2, and then we have log of e, right? And log of e is equal to 1, so we have minus 5 times 1 minus 2 times 1, this is minus 5, this is plus 2, so this is minus 3, right? So this is how we can solve these type of limits.